Hello and welcome to this video tutorial. Covering in this video about how we'll be able to use the features of AiMLiner to our business. So first and for all, we would need to go to AiMLiner's website, which is aimliner.com. Alright, so once you are there, you'll be able to see the front page of AiMLiner. On the top, you will see the logo and as well as 5 links: home, about us, contact us, the frequently asked questions, and the subscribe button. Here in the subscribe button, you'll be able to see 3 links here. The how to pay or plans and the subscribe form wherein you need to fill out for you to be able to registered with AiMLiner. Alright? So in order to start with AiMLiner, if you're not a subscribed member on AiMLiner, you would need to search for those that are already registered with AiMLiner. So, for example, if you know someone else that's here, like a friend of yours, just type in their names or just their first name and their last name. It will populate in the next page. Okay, so let's start with just the tutorial. I'll be going into a registered user, but it's actually just a tutorial user, right? So the name is AiMLiner. Oops, sorry about that. So as you can see, if the distributor is not found, it will show you an error or a notification that the distributor is not found or is not registered in AiMLiner. Alright, let's do that again. Alright, there we go. So once there is that registered user in AiMLiner, it will populate in the next page right here. It will show the profile picture and as well as the name. Just click on it. Okay. So this is the subscriber's homepage. As you can see here on top, this is the username of that subscriber. So in this particular subscriber, it says that the username is AiMLiner tutorial. That's basically it. On the left-hand side, or rather on the right-hand side of this page, is that you will see the profile picture, the name, as well as its rank in global. As you know, there are 4 ranks: the distributor, silver executive, the gold executive, and the global ambassador. Alright, you will also see the address and where it's located, or the address of that subscriber, the mobile phone number, the website, and as well as the email address that they use to register with the subscriber. And a brief discussion of what that subscriber is. As you can see, this is the About Me area. Okay, so let's start from the top. Alright, on the left-hand pane, you will see the products of AIM Global itself. In this area, where you can see this soap, the Restore Life, and the gummies, these are actually randomized. So if we refresh the page, it should change. See? Now it's Restore Life, the Live Coffee, and My Choco. Okay. So in this area as well, you would be able to see or get that product in an instant if you're going to buy it already. Just click on the Get Now button, and it should take you to the shopping cart. Right. So this is the shopping cart of your buyer or prospect. So as you can see here, this is the product that they clicked, the price and its quantity. So should they change the quantity, they just need to change it to whatever quantity they want it to be, like 5. Then once they've changed the quantity, they need to click on the Update Shopping Cart. See, it should change the subtotal because the quantity has changed as well. If they can also change the quantity by just clicking on these arrow buttons. So let's try to remove 2. And the subtotal should change there. So it shows that the subtotal is now 4,500. So should they change as well that they don't want to buy this product, they can just remove it with this link. Then it should show you notification that the item has been removed. Alright, so let's go back to the home page. Yeah, there. So in this part as well, if you click on this image, it will take you to an area where you can see, or your prospects or buyers will see the full details on what that product is. So these details are actually the same with the AiMLiner's description. So there are no apparent changes on what it is, right? And on this part as well, if they would want to get it to the cart, just add a quantity or change the quantity, whatever they would like. Let's try 7, then add it to cart. And there. Unit price 1,500 and the quantity is 7. So this is the total. Right, so let's leave it there. Right, so, and as you can see here in the shopping cart icon, you would be able to see how many items are in the shopping cart. Not the quantity, but the items on the shopping cart. Right? So that is the home page. Okay, so every time that you refresh the page or visit the home page, this area will randomize itself. All right, so let's click here on the products link. There are actually two links on the products. It's the individual products and the combo packages. As you can see here, the view all products is the same as to this link as well. So if we click on here, it should take us to the our products page or products page of AiMLiner. It will default to this area, the all area, where it will show everything, all products in AiMLiner. It should also show the packages that's on AiMLiner as well. Here, the combo package from A to V2. Alright, so it is also being sorted out by the type of product it is. Like it supplements the C24 Colidus Complete, right? And the healthy beverages and cosmeceuticals and the natural essentials. And so the function of these areas are basically the same as what the home page is. So if you click on the icon, it will take you to this area where you can add a quantity and add it to cart. There. So as you can see, the icon here has incremented into 1 since we've added it into the cart. Let's go back to the products. Same thing, if we click here on Get Now, it will automatically add it to that shopping cart. And the quantity will be defaulted to just 1. So make sure that you change it to whatever quantity you need it to be. Don't forget to, once you change the quantity, change it to 7, then update the shopping cart. The quantity will be changed, or the subtotal will be changed. So if you're not going to change, you have forgotten to change it, it will not automatically equate itself. So don't forget to click on the update shopping cart. All right. So let's go back to the products. Let's go to this area. All right, the packages area. As you can see here in the packages area, these are the combo packages that are available with AiMLiner. Combo package A, B, C, D, E, O, V, and the V2 package. The same thing. If you click onto this image, it will take you to a brief description on what that combo package is. And so if you add it to cart as well, let's try. Okay, just one quantity, it will add it automatically. Right? So let's try to remove one product if it will change the subtotal. There. Okay. So let's go back to the combo package area. So same thing, if you click onto this link, the Get Now link, or Get Now button, it will take you to the shopping cart, and it will automatically be added up there. Okay, let's go back to that link, the combo packages link. As if you might be wondering what is this in the left hand area, these are actually the videos that you can show to your prospects on how they would be able to build their business. There are two videos here, but it's basically the same. It's just that the language is on English and Tagalog. So if you click on it, it will automatically pop up a video and it will autoplay. See? Alright, and same thing with the individual products. On the left hand pane, you will see here a product presentation of all the products that's on AIM Global. Alright? Okay, so that's what the product links can do for us. So let's go back here to... Alright, let's move forward to... Before we get to this area, we will need to check out first. But before that, let's go to the Join Us account or Join Us link, wherein you can see three links here. The one head, three heads, or the seven head account. Right. So if you choose the one head account, it will give you information on what is in the or what are in the one head account. So one in Google account and the following details. And we get to choose the package or that type of account. So let's try to use the combo package O. Join. There. See, one head account and we chose combo package O and its amount. So let's remove a few items here so that it wouldn't be too populated. Alright. Okay, so this is the one head account and we chose the combo package O. Let's add one more with a three head account. So as you can see here, the difference with that one head account link to the three heads account link is that you will be able to choose three types of packages, or the three packages. And as well as the marketing plan on what are the benefits that you will be able to receive with a three head account. Possible income for recruits, like these ones, and the immediate return of investment. Okay, so let's choose the package. Let's see, B, V2, and E. All right. If you click on join, and it should take you to the shopping cart. There, the three head account which we selected B, V2, and E. And the unit price should be automatically added, which is 2,940 because 7,980 times 3 would be equal to 23,940. All right. Let's try the seven head account now. So as you can see on this part, it will give you the details on how you'll be able to get income from the seven head accounts, with possible incomes from four recruits like these ones, and the immediate return of investment. And on this part, you will be able to see or choose 7 packages of your choice. Let's try combo package D, D, C, A, E, O, O, and V2. Alright, then let's click on join. So there you go. So these are the packages that we have chosen, and 7-net account is worth 55,860 pesos. So that's 7 times 7,980. So it should be automatically added to your shopping cart when you click on the join button. Alright. So you remember that we are in this username, which is the AiMLiner tutorial. So let's now try to check. Okay, let's click on the go to checkout link. Okay, on this page, we would be able to fill in some information on where the orders will be shipped to. So on this left-hand side part, there are some fields here. And on this right-hand side is that another billing address in case that you are logged in as a user or a customer with AiMLiner. So right now we are logged in as guest. We are not logged in whatsoever. So let me just fill out this form real quick. Okay, on this field with the email address, the field here should be an active email address because a copy of your order will be sent to that email address confirming that your order was made. So let me just fill this out. And of course, a mobile phone number in case that the subscriber, which in this case AiMLiner tutorial, would want to contact you through phone. Okay. All right. And on this part as well, you can put some notes on some important things like when are you going to pay, or how soon can you get the item, things like that. So let's just try it here. Payments will be made there. And on this area with the shipping method, this particular subscriber, which is the AiMLiner tutorial, has put 3 types of shipping. One is the Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao shipping. So you can either choose one of the 3. So if you choose this, it will give you some information of what the shipping method is. So since this is just a tutorial, the admin or the subscriber will be able to just edit this out. So once you have clicked this shipping method, it should show you the shipping fee here, right? And below that shipping method, you would be able to see your order. It's practically the same with the orders that you've made on your shopping cart here. Okay, and this is the total with the shipping fee. As you can see here, the total package weight is not included because some of the packages doesn't have the same, or more, all of the packages don't have the same weight. So the heaviest one is actually the package A, which is worth 4.5 kilograms, if I'm not mistaken. So that's why it's just zeroed out there. But if we are going to input some particular products like C24 or the soap or the toothpaste, it should show package weight there. I'm going to show it a bit later. Alright, so below that, on the total, you will be able to see the payment method that the subscriber has given you an option with. One is a bank deposit transfer, and the other one is the money transfer. So the bank deposit transfer, seems that the information is not complete here yet, but it should show here some details on what the account name is, the account number, and what is the bank that you need, that they would need for them to receive the payments. Same thing with the money transfer. It says here that you can send the payment through the following, which is these money transfer companies, and it should show here the name, the address, and uh, contact number of that particular subscriber as well. So let's go ahead and place the order. There. So it says on this page that your order is been or has been received, and we've sent you a copy of this order to your email address that you have put into, which is this one. So this is the payment instruction, or the payment instruction. So since we have put the payment method, here is the instruction. please send the payment to the following. The name is AiMLiner because that is the person last name inputted into the subscriber, and the address and the mobile phone number of that particular subscriber. Also shows a summary of all the items that you have put in your cart and the shipping fee and the total. Sorry. All right. So I'm gonna go to my email and check if that order has gone through. All right. Let's check that out. Oops. This is my other email address. Okay. Sorry, it takes a while for it to load up. All right. So we see here the order from AiMLiner.com. See that? This area. Now let's click that up. Okay, so here you would see the details of the order that was made. So the billing address that was inputted was my name or the name, and the address that you've just inputted or email address. Okay, so the payment and shipping is via money transfer, payment instructions, and or other order details. All right, so you have received a copy, or you should receive a copy of the order that you have made. Right. We skipped the part here, the My Order part, wherein you can track your order. Let's do that right now. By the way, don't forget your order number here and also your email address because we would need that. So order number is 72 and the email address is this one. And track it. Okay, so even though you are not able to communicate or you're not able to contact with this particular subscriber, that subscriber should be able to make some updates on where the order is or what's the status of that order. So since we've just made order recently, here it is. Dates order is the particular time and the payment method that was made. There are also the products that you have inputted or put into your shopping cart. And below that, you should see some notes or the recent notes that was made by that subscriber and also by the system automatically. Okay, so that's how you practically place an order using this system, AiMLiner. Right, so I said earlier that you would be able to see some products with its weight. Let's do that right now. Okay, so let's just use this one, all right? CD4. Okay, on this detail, all right, let's add it to cart. Let's say 10. Add to cart. Okay, as you can see, it has an indication here that it says 50 grams per item. So it should be 50 times 10 of it should be at 500 grams. So let's update that to our shopping cart or go to checkout since it's already updated. Right, again, since we are logged in as a guest, this information will not be auto-filled. But if you're logged in as a customer, just right here, all of these fields should be automatically filled which I will show you a bit later, right? So there, this is the item that we have put into our shopping cart, and the total package weight is at 500 grams. The shipping fee is not yet included because we haven't chosen one shipping fee yet. So should you choose just one, it should be added there. There. So this is the total. Okay, so same process of payment method. We place the order. You will receive an order number onto your email address, and you will be able to track it using this link. All right. So let's just go back to the shopping cart and remove it. Okay. So this AiMLiner website is not only just for purchasing items and showing them what the items is or what the items are with AimGlobal. You will also be able to use this tool to train your prospects. Here it is, and you will find those in these videos. Right. In this area, in training videos area, you would see all information on what Alliance in Motion Global is. It will greatly help your prospects to not go about clicking many links from your messages, saying them to look at this, look at that. No, you don't need to do that. In here, it's already there. Everything is there. Just browse through or click through here. It's new distributors orientation. Here are the marketing plans, the product presentation, and also the company profile of Alliance Motion Global. There are also testimonials here about the products and some success stories. See, you don't need to go browsing through any web streaming websites to see what those are. It's already there in just one area. The events that was made with AIM Global, I'm sorry. New Year greetings, I Smile Mid Rally, the Asian Networking Convention, Expo, okay, and also some frequently asked questions by most distributors or prospects to AIMLiner. I'm sorry, to AIM Global. So it's there. Okay, so you don't need to browse through some web streaming websites, a few web streaming websites just for you to get through these videos. It's already there. Everything is in there. Alright, so should you want to contact this particular subscriber, just click on the contact us link. It should show you the information of that subscriber, which in this particular case, the AiMLiner tutorial. Alright. So in here, you will be able to also communicate with your subscriber with this member in AiMLiner. Just type in your name, your email address, and your concerns like this, an order follow-up, and your message with it. Just click on send, and they will be able to receive an email to their AiMLiner email address. Now I will show you what that AiMLiner email address is right now. Okay. So in here, it's just the same. Once you were registered, the AiMLiner email address would be your username at AiMLiner.com. Okay. That's just particular it. Then enter your password, and you will have your own email address with. Once you're subscribed with AiMLiner, you should be able to have your own email address, your personalized email address with AiMLiner, like this one, your own domain, not with other mail servers, the ones that you know, like this one in Gmail. So all inquiries should be put here, or inquiries here in the contact us should be put here in your inbox with at AiMLiner.com, right? So I said earlier that I will show you how to use the purchasing using a customer. So let's do that right now, step by step. All right. So let's click on login, and it should show a drop down on login or sign up as customer. will take us to a page or the sign up area wherein we need to fill out some information. So since we're not yet registered as a member, let me just leave this blank. Let's create an account here. Okay, our username is all right. Okay, by clicking sign up, we agree to the terms and conditions and privacy policy. All right, so let's click on sign up. Right, so the account has been created. So we would need to go to our email address and check and see an email from AiMLiner to activate our account. All right, so let's go to the inbox, and this is the link. See, it says hello. That's 01. That's the username that I've just included earlier. So just need to click onto this link to get our account activated. So once we click onto that link, it will take us to the login page. So let's put here our email address or the email address that you have used and our password, of course. And it will take us to create a profile of that particular customer. So let me just fill it out. So it also gives you an option if you're already a member of AIM Global or not yet a member of AIM Global. If you click on yes here, it will ask you for the member's ID that you can see on your card, or you can just leave it unchecked. So create your profile. There you have it. Your account's now complete. So you need to relog in. Let's do that. Okay. Now it doesn't say welcome guest anymore. It says welcome your first and last name, Freya Leda. So everything's practically the same, except that when you check out, it should auto-populate those fields. Let's try it right now. Let me get this one. Alright. So let's leave it there. We'll check out. There. See, the address has been, the billing information has been auto-populated. So just to make sure, check everything that it's there. Alright. Put a note, shipping method. There. Alright. Payment method. And let's try to place this order. Alright. Alright. The order has been received. Send a copy of this order. Billing address. Okay. Payment instruction. So right now, since we are using the bank deposit transfer, here it is. The account name, the account number, and the name of the bank. Right. So let's track it now. 73 and my email address. Right. So we ordered earlier the Vitamax quantity 1, and it says that the order has been received. As you have noticed, when I click on my order, it shows us the order history. Let's click on that. So there are particularly two main good aspects with being registered as a customer. One is that you would be able to see your orders. You don't need to type it in the track order. Just view it, or you can print it. There. So that's one of the main advantages of being registered as a customer. Another one is that earlier when we checked out, it gave you don't need to fill out those information anymore. It just automatically populates it. So when we go to checkout, it's there. You don't need to type in a lot of fields, right? So when you're logged in as guest, you would need to track your order by using the email address that you've made or that you've used and the order number. Whereas when you're logged in, you don't need to do that anymore. You can just see it in your order history. As well as when you are going to check out, when you're logged in as guest, you need to fill out those information in the checkout button. While when you're registered as a customer, it's already auto-filled, right? So that's one of the best features with being logged in. Right, so I think I've covered all of the main features with this as going into the subscriber. So I hope you have learned what AiMLiner is, and I'll be making another video on what's on the admin side. Right, so good day and have a nice business. Ciao.